Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about IAM policies. We will see a scenario where we need to write a policy that allows us to access S3 buckets and their content. So, if we want to write an IAM identity and access management policy that provides read-only access to an S3 bucket and its content, what should we do? We will manage access in AWS by creating policies and attaching them to IAM identities. So IAM identities in AWS are users or group of users or roles. We can also attach these policies to resources, to AWS resources instead of identities. So a policy is an object in AWS that when associated with an identity or a resource, it defines their permission. AWS evaluates these policies when an IAM principal, like a user or a role, makes a request. And permissions in the policies determine whether this request is allowed or denied. Most policies are stored in AWS as JSON documents. And here is the example of a JSON document that allows us to list the object in S3 bucket called myBucket and get its object. AWS supports 6 types of policies: the identity-based policies, the resource-based policies, the permission boundaries, organization security control policies, the access control list, and the session policies. Back to the example where we see the statement. In this statement, effect allow action S3 list bucket. So S3 list bucket is applied to the bucket level, not to its content. So the ARN is in this form: resource ARN AWS S3 my bucket without a trailing forward slash. On the other hand, this example is for the get object. So we see the action S3 get object. A get object is applied to the object within the bucket that is called my bucket. So the ARN is in the form resource ARN AWS S3 my bucket with the trailing forward slash. And the asterisk at the end indicates that all the objects within the bucket my bucket are accessible with the get object method. This is all on IAM policies. See you in the next video.